Hello friends, this is my first video on YouTube. In this channel I will give you some hacking tips. So follow the channel for getting a new interesting videos on hacking. Today I am going to tell you how to download the new 2021.1 Kali Linux on virtual machine. So let's begin. First, open your favorite browser. I am using the Brave browser just now. Type Kali Linux, go to download page. In this video I will tell some of the most important topics and give you some knowledge on downloading it. After doing this, scroll the page and come to download Kali virtual machines and click on which VMware you are downloading or VirtualBox. I prefer VirtualBox and open this page, Offensive Security VM download page. After this, download here 64-bit. Now most of the operating systems are 64-bit, so please download 64-bit. You should have the torrent in your PC. So I will take the torrent file download and it will be saved in my PC. Okay, so I will go to this PC and download it from here. I will start with, as I recommend, please download in C drive. Okay, please download in the C drive, because when you will extract this it will directly go to C drive when you will add in VMware. Okay, 1 minute. I didn't select the location, so I have to cancel it and again do it. Choose the path. Okay, VMware, where it is. Yes, here only. Yes, now it will take some time. Take a cup of tea and relax. I will get back to you soon. Okay, my Kali has been downloaded. To save my time, I will extract it. To extract, go to a location where it has been downloaded. Just right click and open containing file folder. Click on it and extract to Kali Linux. It will take some time. Till that time, I will download VirtualBox. Okay, in which we will run. What we will run? Kali. Open downloads link. It will open the page. Why today my net is slow? Okay, what you are using, it is most important. You are using Kali or Linux as a host or Windows. Most of us we use Windows only, so I will download Windows. I will download it as I have already downloaded, so no need to download it. And I have to download this virtual 6.101 extension pack. Please download it. Okay, no problem. Till now, let's watch what's happening. Till now I have downloaded already, so now to download the VirtualBox, open where it has been downloaded. It is downloaded here, so please click on it. As is an easy way to download, extract, run the setup of VirtualBox. Okay, so there will be no problem with you. Please click next and next. No any problem. And I have already downloaded, so I will not do it. Okay, if you have any problem, ask in comment box, or you can watch other tutorial also. So there will be no problem. Now open VirtualBox. It's here. 1 minute. I have opened the VirtualBox. Click on machine. Click on new. Now type what would be the name of your machine. I am writing as a Kali Linux. Linux, it's Linux based, and it's a Debian 64. What's Debian? Debian is the architecture on basis it has been made. I will give 1 GB RAM to it. Its memory size. Which size you have to give to the Kali Linux? It is asking as you are running another computer inside your one computer, so it will divide your RAM into different parts. As I have 12 GB RAM, if I will give to 1 GB to Kali Linux, when the Kali Linux will run, it will take 1 GB on its own and 11 GB to my main PC. So if you have 4 GB RAM, so your Kali Linux will run very slow. Means it can run, but minimum you should have 4 GB RAM or 8 GB RAM in a PC. Okay, so if you don't have, you can extend or you have to struggle. Okay, no problem. Click on next. Now this is the main step. What you have to do? Use an existing virtual hard disk. Okay, you have to select on this option, click on this folder option. Now click on add, click find locate where is your virtual machine. Kali Linux has been extracted, as it is extracted in my user yaman जो भी है VirtualBox Kali Linux VMware. Click on first option, Kali Linux VMDK. Okay, not other. They are different things. Click on this. Okay, if you will click on other, all look same. But in other you can see S001, S002. You have to click here. Okay, click on open. Now you can see it has been added. Click on choose. Click create. Now you will have a new VirtualBox here. Okay, now you click on start. First of all, please go to settings and come to network. Click on network and select network here. Okay, and all things are good here, no problem. Click on OK. If you have any wireless, if you have any Wi-Fi adapter in it, so you have to attach to your Kali Linux. To do it, click on USB, click on this plus sign, and I have this MediaTek 802 as my Wi-Fi adapter, so I will select it. Now I can use Wi-Fi in my Kali Linux, other than I can't. Okay, Kali Linux start, run on start. Now it will boot. It's good as they have made a virtual VMDK, virtual machine disk. Okay, if first of all they were using ISO can have to boot all like when we extract when we install window. You have been install window, it takes lot of time. First it formats and other things. Now no need to no, nothing, so it's we have been booted also. Your username and password is Kali, and password is Kali. It's booting up. It has been boot. Congo, bro. Congo, my party. Yes, we have did it. It's looking super cool. I have to adjust the size of it to display. Oh, sorry, what is it? Display. Array, what's going on? Display. Click on your PC size, PC screen size, what you have. Apply. Now it can be it will be automatically. Okay, close. First of all, one of my most important, what I am saying, my lips. 1 minute. Most first, after downloading the Kali Linux, please click on your terminal. Write sudo apt get upgrade. Click on enter. Your password is Kali. It will take some time because what happened, Kali is wrong. Now your Kali Linux is fully updated. Now you have to download a terminal called apt get install terminator. What is saying? Unable to locate terminator. Oh, I will fix it 1 minute. Oh, sorry, we have to use update apt-get update to download anything in Linux. You have to use the command apt-get install and write what you have to download. Okay, so download the Terminator. Write sudo apt-get. I have already edited it, so I have no need to do it. Yes, it is asking for yes. Confirm yes. Download it. It will take some time. I have to do full screen first. Okay. As I have successfully download the Terminator, to find it I have to just type Terminator. It is very useful Terminate shell, as you can split it into two. You can use two terminal at once. You can split like this, so it's very helpful. If you will move on in hacking, it would be most very helpful in with you. Okay, so this was all about how to download the Kali Linux in your PC. Okay, please subscribe this channel and like and comment. If you have any problem, please comment it. I will solve as I will read it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.